This is CJ over here at Throttle Powersports, located in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Today we're going to take a look at one of our beautiful units, this 2020 Polaris Sportsman 450, high output with EPS. It's a solid mid-size ATV with electronic power steering and ready-to-work features. It's rugged and practical, with a clean utility look, front and rear racks, and a comfortable seat for all-day riding. Powered by a 499cc ProStar engine with on-demand all-wheel drive and EPS, it's smooth, capable, and easy to handle on trails or around the property. It's perfect for landowners, hunters, or anyone that needs a reliable ATV for work and play. It's tough, easy to ride, and built to get the job done without breaking the bank. Come check it out at Full Throttle Powersports in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Call us at 603-357-7999 or visit us at fdpnh.com.